Thinking about changing your computer's fingerprints? You might want to hit pause before diving in. Let's break it down. A hardware ID, or HWID, is like your PC's social security number, a unique code built from your motherboard, hard drive, and more. Some folks want to change these for privacy, troubleshooting, or, let's be real, dodging bans. But here's the shocker. You can't just swap out these IDs with a few clicks. Most are burned in at the factory. Sure, you can view your HWIDs in Device Manager and maybe spoof your MAC address or tinker in the registry. There are third-party tools that promise to do it all, but that's a one-way ticket to Malware City, broken Windows activations, or a lifetime ban from your favorite game. Bottom line? Proceed only if you truly understand the risks and never use these methods to cheat the system. For most users, the safest solution is just don't. Disclaimer. This video is for ethical and educational purposes only. Changing hardware IDs may violate software licenses and terms of service.